On today's episode on WarpDriveM we are going to finish the Dacia because in the last episode I fixed everything. Now has a new problem. I'm going to show you everything, and I'm going to show you in this episode all the project card that I have and why I didn't post anything, because I have like 8 project cars. And by the way, we have a new project car that was sitting for 9 years. I have that car since the last 2 years I think, and every day I try to do something. I'm going to show you everything, so let's start the video. Dacia is done. I've topped up the AC. It was ice cold for a day, and after that, check this out. I've noticed that I need a condenser, so another 150 euros on the drain. So let's order the condenser, replace that, and charge once again. Job done. We have the new condenser in here. Another problem solved. AC is working. Ice cold. Finally. The car is registered. We have the same number plates from the red BMW, and I wanted to tow something today, and of course the lights won't work. I took the cap out, and check this out. Everything is corroded and you cannot see any kind of screws. Let me put some light. See that? Everything is bad in here. So I have a new one, a complete set in here. I'm going to cut all the cables, of course, and install them in here. I've cut all the cables because I cannot take anything out, no screws at all, and now I can follow the wires. I don't have to check any diagram. I'm just going to replicate it in here. This is the same plug. I've checked the module in here. We have a fuse in here and it was blown. I replaced the fuse. Of course it was blown because, yeah, rust. Job done, I think. Now let's test it. We have the new plug. I have an adapter for 7-pin. We have the tester. Everything is off now. Let's put the hazard lights and let's see. hazard lights are working in here, working in there. Let's see. Oh, perfect. Left, right. Job done. You can hear the relay. With this one done, let me show you what I have in the shop. I have a new Volvo. This one is the car from Daniel. Daniel is driving this one. I have no idea what kind of model is or something like that. Maybe he said something in here. Not really sure. So we have this one new, and this is the project car that I'm trying to rebuild or refix and put it back on the road. So the car was sitting for 9 years. It's sitting on my ownership since the last 2 years. I'm going to show you a few pictures or video. I didn't film anything on this one. In the next episode, what I done to be on this stage, and I'm gonna show you how bad it is. The tachometer is completely rusted, man. It's completely rusted. So we have water damage everywhere. So the car was with the windows open 7 years, and now 2 years here in my ownership. I fixed that. I was able to put it back. That's why you can see a lot of fingerprints everywhere. But this will be for the next episode. I'm going to show you in the next episode everything about this car and the stage that we are with this one. Like I said, I don't have too much footage with this one because I didn't film. I wanted to fix it my own and drive it a little bit, but it's been a journey, 2 years in the making till here. Okay, we have this one. Let's go around the corner. We have this one. We have this one. We have this one. We have this one, and this is the old car. And Daniel is here. This is my old E91 that I fixed with a small accident here, and it's here because we sold the engine. And we have in here a Golf Plus, and yeah, this one needs an engine rebuild, and I'm going to do that, or we are going to do this in the next few days. Maybe I'm going to film something, not really sure. This is an 1.4 liter engine with turbo and the compressor, so kind of strange. But if I'm going to make any video, I'm going to show you the damage and everything, and how we are going to fix it. And we have in here a Skoda Fabia 2010, water damage, and we are going to try now to fix this one as well. You can see the water level was still here, exactly till here. OBD port is as well with water damage. All the relay, we've replaced a few relays already, and we are now diagnosing a few problems. Of course, airbag, all with dirt, and yeah, not really sure if we are going to make it work or not. We are going to see. Here in the first unit we have a Volkswagen Passat. This is a diesel one. The car starts and dies off, and the car was already checked. Somebody replaced a few parts, a few new parts. We have to charge the battery, that's why it's everything open in here. And after I've checked a little bit, we had like really bad error for particle filter, completely clogged. That's why I took the O2 sensor out in order to evacuate to see if the car will stay on. So, but the problem is still there, the car doesn't stay on. We check the timing on the car, we set the injectors. These are the injectors that are inside the engine. You have to take the cover out. Everything is set, the time is set, the injectors are set. The car starts but dies off. So I'm pretty sure this is an electrical problem. And after that we have a cable that is hanging here. We have a new relay in here. We have 3 fuses that are put it on the cover of the fuse box. So that's kind of strange. This car will be for the scrapyard if it's not going to work. So basically I have just junk cars for now. And that's why I didn't post anything, because I was trying to fix a lot of cars, more cars that I can fix as one person or two person, because I'm with Daniel in here. We've done the Fiat. Oh, I didn't show you anything. This is a Fiat Punto 2016 two-cylinder engine with turbo. But this one is done, everything is done, brakes, oil change, stuff like that. This one works like a charm, and it's already gone, so it's sold. We have to do something about the E91 because the engine is sold, and I'm pretty sure we are going to dismantle the car and we are going to send the chassis to a scrapyard. And just like that, we are at the end of the video. Join me for the next episode. In the next episode we are going to start one from these cars that I have in here. We are going to start a project car. I hope we can finish it in one episode, and after that we are going to start the next one, and so on. So if you want to see how I fix all the cars that I show you, join me for the next episode. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.